Mame Mao Akwaba and found Bragana in some TVGH so what frame Adjoa searching.
There was a time NDC MPs went to the Jubilee House to thank President Nanado for the massive project Nanado has done in their constituency. Sa NDC MPs will echo man payina tena Jubilee House echo dana si olumai yeda was say one near ma waya maye ewe constituency NDC MPs and the same NDC MPs did Nanado attempt left and right. Send another by 8 years. When she, me say, dachi bino, dachi bino. Ye be kai oluma we ye be sun. Ye be kai papa we sun. Ye fa omo constituency no kura asem ne ntonchen. They forgot say, never in the history of Ghana, in this fourth republic, aban bia nu perform better than another. Aban bia nu in the history of Ghana, fourth republic we on. President Obaya see fashionable mienu never in the history of Ghana in this fourth republic baby anye bida o si Jamestown fashionable and Elmina fashionable and Jamestown na President Mahama Satama no me president no eko Elmina eko catch o mo say fashionable na President Nanado pezi obesin saka wa fashionable otimi nye
Obai was it obey a fashionable. Or saka wa fashionable. Onye
Nanado esi sa fashionable we na oko commission oko bia no oyina o esuyi
fra o maje kwabra maje
ati ni suo se wanda nwene da se Nanado betima ye eti first time our president ebiama wonyina asu Nanado na set sa record no ye fe no ntonchen in the history of Ghana for South of Republic way aban bia no obesi fire service training aban bia no obesi ye Nanado besi mienu wungu ewo north east o si fire service training ho na bia ya nkwanta Nanado si fire service training ho. Never in the history of Ghana again. Aban bia ba wasi interchange eche Nanado NPP government aban bia no ebi da obae osi tamamoto we interchange pokuase tamale obi tabe lamte na flower pot sa interchange we na osi President Mama esi ba kope Kwame Nkrumah interchange edi sika $260 million esi Nanado si miensa edi $289 million and si 3 President Mama di $260 million esi ba kope Kwame Nkrumah never in the history of Ghana ABC da again Nanado ba ye no or the STEM schools by science technology engineering and maths Nanado ene de ba ye na osi schools bi wo ha miyem kura sheme ababia no wasi sa school ni bi da ABC da hwe ayi East Legon school Nanado si ye school Nanado esi no East Legon enkurako eco school ewo ebinsi da bible no obaya wasi school ebida enso mo NDC fo na mo buy comment section na mo didi e ma me matem na mo didi atem no mo mfa mo manko school ebi school Nanado sie na o ma nyina ma etisa mo aya na me tro challenge mo mbra se mo se President Mama project eche Nanado mo mbra be face me ni entenase ni set record ni straight for school way abambia sibida again bosom twen girls SHS STEM Nanado ebesi ye awaso Nanado ebesi ye pasenpe we say whatever Nanado ebesi ye diaso Nanado ebesi ye na weja STEM Nanado besi ye sa schools way mo sola na mo di e-block na e-blocks Nanado school we see ye we dey friend 20 blocks 20 que schools we aban ben na buy obesi bida schools well to say yes school nie schools siwa what to say yes school nie aban ben no obesi sa schools we bi da and so so na mu gamanum was introduce Ghana smart schools sa schools saa we am introduce ye no ama enkura no ene SS4 etimi ye solar panel eye a dialysis machine eye plane etimi tufa wiem enkura no ene enkura no bi kura etimi ye pragia wo school pragia ene bicycle nanado ene di saa nim dewe ina ebaye wasa baye no sa be TVET free aban bia no abebida again say ye cost sponsor aban bia no a obeye astrotef echen nanado aban but the mine sports complex aban bia no obesi sa stadium we bi da sports complex aban bia no obesi bi da astrotef wan na beka se ne mantamo ye nya astrotef wo and now sir University of Ghana stadium nanado ene besi ye University of Ghana stadium nanado ene besi ye mo sori na mu dwamanum mine no abaye biu nti mo amaya mo turo challenge mumbra obaye aban a wo ye wewe efa nsuo so ebisi da nanado ene seti sa record we nanado eseti sa record we aban bia no obaye wewe efa nsuo so nanado na yes ade no obaye wasa abaye ultra modern airport Tamale munko airport phase 2 Tamale airport o sisi wo ene Kumase NDC for ebe seed enkukobuo ene omode light SCC form se $229 million say na omode Kumase ene munko Kumase na munko airport papa afi Ghana police service ene police ya muhuni fefefe ena nanado nsaso ena Ghana police aye fefefe aban bia nu obai obesi 320,000 ama Ghana police sa dan fefefe we nanado na sima police fu kofo penso enu osi dan ma omo ebesi ho aban bia nu obai osi adan ama Ghana police she dan fefefe we now nanado na siye mo sole na mu di nanado atem NDC for wa masa na mine wa ya duma again Ghana police CID headquarters nanado ene siye CID headquarters nanado ene siye aban bia no abebida ana ai police motors na mu nisano police motors bebrebe no ene omo cars no nanado na tomo omo nanado na beto omo odi kandi Toyota bi ba ene odi pickups ene odi sa police visibility na mu nisano motors bebrebe nanado ene to bae ena again never in the history of Ghana aban bia no ba ya oto helicopters ema Ghana police nanado ba oto 3 alu premier sa ema Ghana police again navy omo yensuo so no soldiers for no mo yensuo so no nanado ebeto boat mienu ma omo never in the history of Ghana aban bia no ba ya obeto boat ema navy for so omo fam patrol yensuo so nanado ne beseti sa record no afi Ghana Armed Forces military housing ababia no obesi dan ma Ghana Armed Forces enso nanado babesi adan ema Ghana Police Service and Ghana Armed Forces ene amokas ena soldiers for moto na nanado ne beto ma omo na Ashanti region oba Ashanti region asia na motos ne ayi cash kra na omu ni bi ene ba bia police for ne na modi moto nanado ensa no eti mo amosori a na mo kasa no mo jadide no mi true challenge and NDC MPs edi nanado atem and NDC for soria omo se nanado nyehwe drip machines ananado de ba aban be na ebida and drip machines na and NDC for ajafa and ehu baby kura drip machines na fa Ghana ambulance service na Ghana na ambulance wa Ghana 55 na Ashanti radio e dey 5 pe ene constituency bia won ambulance eti ade na President Mahama eja to aye de be kan no Ghana for enkankan minua no mo no aye sori a ye de aba na bebo ye nua tani amanaba NDC aba NDC ebeye sika na ye de twe nua ama NDC aba ebeye ene no fufo aye to abama former President Mahama aye fighting and to kwaye kunkum ye ho ebubu ye ho ema NDC baba mu se President Mahama o ye nordna se wo kosisi ade na nordness ye de be kai former president ye de be kai President Mahama
timi ketse na na da kuku fo do say eni ye say asant avanze o chihini se be bi nanum kankan mpaboa wo ya boa pa sa tamre de wo hu nyansa ko na waso dem ho anka nche NDC say me bo omkoko they should stop what they are doing who you join who ze kufuado okoto plane and alcohol plane ekotenam ko dware who bi da but you believe who gidi jira waso dem ho asiampani say aban na twam no and now if say they no more can you drink at the sense who you jimifo and never get say kokwakuafo eye dodo sen adentina ai banchi omom do banchi omom do bode omom do bayre ai MPP phone kokuma no we are minim se we jimi sada na minim se we yesofo we jimi wo hu de we a wo ma Canada pon wo hinti wo ma Kennedy a wo support no ho anti wo de Kennedy who bitter wo hu jimi a wo jimi ho wo ma bi a jimi do koduru wo hu Kennedy ho ya Dr. Mahmoud Baumia who tainty, one who de wieu, one who Jimmy. I will take me show what idea. Me show what idea. So Jimmy say we are on politics now. You are no more a software.